At the Fix 2024 conference in Daegu, South Korea, RGB Lab showcased its cutting-edge product, Arion, an AI-powered edge computer designed to elevate unmanned systems to the next level. With a client base that includes the Korean military and international drone service providers, RGB Labs is rapidly becoming a key player in the global unmanned systems market. Arion's flexibility and advanced AI capabilities allow it to serve various industries, from defense to disaster management. Arion, the AI edge computer for unmanned systems, Arion is not your typical drone system. It's a palm sized artificial intelligence edge computer that brings powerful, real time processing directly to unmanned systems. Designed for long range, beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS operations, Arion works not only with drones, but also with ground robots, CCTV networks, and autonomous vehicles. This versatility allows Arion to be used across a wide range of industries, including safety surveillance, logistics, firefighting, environmental monitoring, and military applications. RGB Labs Arion, what makes Arion truly stand out is its ability to give unmanned systems autonomy. By processing data right on the device through its edge computing capabilities, Arion allows systems to carry out complex missions without relying on a remote server, making it ideal for tasks that require immediate responses, such as disaster management or security operations. Seamless integration with AI and open platforms, Arion's design also focuses on easy integration. It's fully compatible with the Pixhawk or Duplicate open development platform, making it a flexible choice for developers and manufacturers. The system can connect to various cameras for AI-based image processing, allowing it to perform tasks like real-time object recognition and video transmission through LT or 5G networks. Arion's standard interfaces ensure that it can seamlessly connect with a range of sensors, making it highly scalable. Whether used with aerial drones or ground-based robots, Arion's ability to integrate AI-driven tasks into unmanned systems makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications. Unlocking innovation with a flexible platform, approach to the market sets it apart, and it's what gives the potential to drive major innovation. While many drone manufacturers focus on vertically integrated systems, RGB Labs allows its AI Edge computer to be used across multiple platforms. This flexibility means companies can customize their unmanned systems to fit specific needs, whether that's tracking a target in a defense operation or inspecting infrastructure in the industrial sector. RGB Labs also supports original equipment manufacturing (OEM), allowing other companies to build their own unmanned systems around Arion's powerful AI capabilities. This open approach is accelerating innovation, providing a platform for new drone and robot applications across a variety of industries. Shaping the future of unmanned systems, as industries increasingly adopt unmanned systems for tasks ranging from logistics to security, the need for smarter, more autonomous solutions continues to grow. RGB Labs, with its AI edge computer Arion, is at the forefront of this shift. By enabling real time data processing and offering a flexible, customizable platform, RGB Labs is helping shape the future of unmanned mobility.